Sight the guns!
Destruction on custom objects. To start, create a parent object on top of the base object that you want to make destructible. Give the parent an appropriate name. Remember to change the layer of the new parent object to static environment. Optionally, we can change the name of the child object to include stage 1 just so we remember the order if we make separate stages. Select the child object, click Add Component, search Damageable Object Stage, then add the script. Now select the parent object, click Add Component, search Damageable Object Mod Overload, then add the script. Here we can change the health of the objects and some other values. The material value will change how the object sounds when stabbed or shot. This material definition here will also dictate how much explosive force can destroy this object. For example, a wood material object is destroyable to grenades, where stone is only destroyable to larger explosives such as TNT, barrels or artillery. Hide when destroyed simply means that when this object is destroyed, it will be hidden from the game world. We can use this if we don't have any destroyed stages on our object. Hide when destroyed only in snapshot can be ignored and left unticked. Default stage will be the starting stage this object spawns in when the map is loaded. Damage stages contain stages of the object that show partial destruction. Destructed stages contain the final stage of when your object will be fully destroyed at 0 HP. You can include multiple stages here. One will randomly be chosen when the object is destroyed. Linked damageable objects includes any other damageable objects that should also be destroyed if this parent is also destroyed. The health of the linked damage object is added in addition to the main object. Is network destructible enables destruction of this object on the server and will share its destruction information with other players on the server. For the most part, it can be ignored and left on. Bonus damage when fully destroyed includes any extra damage dealt to the parent linked destruction object when this one is destroyed. Is masked object, if enabled, will mean chain shot does more damage to this object. Linking game to game and custom to game destructible object. This will allow you to have game and custom objects destroyed when a base game object is destroyed. Select the object you want to be linked. Click Add Component, search Damageable Object Linker, and then add the script. Drag and drop the destructible object you want to link into the Asset Parent field. Click on the parent, click Show Hierarchy tick box. In the inspector, open the object's children. Each object may be structured differently internally, however most should have similar naming schemes. Find the destroyable part of the object that you wish to link to your object. In this case, wall 4_stage 1 is the top part of the tower. Copy and paste the name of the child object into the object name field of the object you want to link. This setup means that if the top of this tower is destroyed, the cannon is also destroyed. Linking game to custom destructible objects. This will allow you to have destructible base game assets be destroyed when a custom destructible asset is destroyed. Select your custom destructible object. Click Add Component. Search Damageable Object Reverse Linker, then add the script. Drag the game asset prefab you want to link to this object. Select the prefab in the inspector. Tick the Show Hierarchy box. Open the children of the prefab. Find the destructible object. In this case of the swivel gun, the top parent object is the destructible object in this asset. Other objects may have different destructible parts which may take trial and error to get working properly. Copy and paste the name of the object into the reverse linker script. This setup means that if the compass is destroyed, so is the swivel gun. The difference between including the swivel gun here and including it as a child is here the swivel gun will be properly destroyed and fracture its parts over the ground compared to just being hidden. Linking custom to custom destructible objects. Select the main object that you want another to be linked to. Drag the other destructible object into the linked damageable objects field. When the selected object is destroyed, the linked object will also be destroyed.